It's very simply, it's an SMS-based system, so we can reach as broad an audience as possible. We know in areas with limited access to the internet, there's still a high percentage of cell phone usage. People simply will send requests for fresh fruits and vegetables into a central system where a whole range of different types of suppliers can see those requests, aggregating and filtering them into groupings that make it economically viable for them to meet those needs. And the best part, the payment transaction and pickup takes place at locations that are already existing in these communities. Schools, churches, community centers, the places that are already there and that the people have access to. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you a demo. And this is where we're going to bring up our friend Mike, who's a consumer in Pittsburgh, and we're also going to go ahead and show you the supplier side website. So what we've done is to help reach consumers in food deserts, we've designed a set of collateral, here a coloring book and a set of crayons to hopefully introduce the program to children and families. The coloring book includes directions, how to use the system, and also healthy recipes that the family could try to cook together. But to start, a parent simply sends a text message to 88147 with the words "Join Veggie." Then what will happen, the system will send back a welcome message that explains how to place an order. Kind of see. So welcome to Food Oasis and some bit instructions. So what Mike will do is then he'll send an order with what he'd like to purchase. Veggie buy, kale, apples, and peas, and the location code for his child's preschool. So I can hear that the order went out. We're going to go ahead and then the order is going to show up. And here I can see, so I saw a new order that comes in. It says kale, apples, and peas. And as a supplier, I can be looking through, and I'm going to go ahead and, just as in a normal face-to-face transaction, I'm going to go ahead and send Mike an offer. So I'm going to open up a simple form and tell him I've got 2 pounds of kale for $1, and I'll deliver on Monday at 2. So Mike's going to receive this message with the details. So you can see it says, basically, so now, and as just in a real transaction, Mike can go ahead and respond back to me that he wants to purchase these goods. And you'll notice the price was $1 for 2 pounds of kale. We really believe that we can achieve this when we think about, in a well-run grocery store, fresh produce and meats are the highest profit margin items. So if we can replicate that efficiency and reduce waste from the system through a technology platform for a wide variety of suppliers, we think we can close that gap on healthy, affordable food. So the last part of the system is I can go ahead and I can actually send a final confirmation to Mike, letting him know that the date and time for the pickup. Then on the arranged delivery day, Mike will go ahead and he can pick up his pre-ordered produce when he's picking up his kids from preschool.